Look at this big, beautiful baby. Man, oh man. What I wouldn't give to have this at the river house. Look at this thing. Buddha. Big non-turbo diesel of some sort. Oh yeah. Look at that transmission, transfer case. Holy smokes. Look at the size of that thing. Wow. Bed pistons? My God, is this monster ever built? I assume it started its life as a plow truck. Forward control. Man, this is cool. It's either air or vacuum wipers. 33-mile-an-hour speed limit. Not to exceed 38,000 pounds. Center differential rock. Okay, I'll revise that. I would love to have it out at the river house. If. Buddha diesel. If it was running, I would love to have it at the river house. Bendix, that's the air compressor. There's your injector pump. My God. What a beautiful machine. It makes me sad to think of this going into the scrap. I know that's where it's going. Nothing can be done about it, but still, it makes me sad. What a beautiful machine. What a beautiful machine. Can you imagine this monster in its glory years? Them gears whining as it's going down the road at a brisk 30 miles an hour. Straight piped. I'm gonna have to look up Buddha diesel. I am not familiar with that. Can I find a year on it? Yeah, the grab bar is brass. Man, oh man. Look at the low air flag. Mechanical low air flag. Wooden floorboards. What a neat machine. What a neat machine. Four-wheel drive auto company. Oh, can you read that? someone will be able to tell me what it is based on that alone. My goodness. I walked out here just to gather up some radiator hoses, and I found a treasure.